Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and I want to share with you, welcome to my channel first of all, and I want to share with you, I've been waiting for quite some time for all of my AliExpress stuff to come in. As you know, anybody that buys from AliExpress, it sort of trickles in over anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months to get everything in that you ordered. Well, you probably remember that I had picked up that Sizzix Sidekick from Tim Holtz for die cutting a couple, 2 or 3 months ago. At the same time, I had, within a couple weeks from that time, I had ordered some things from AliExpress for die cutting and for resin that I've been anxious to get. So I finally got it all, so I'm going to start sharing some of it. I want to share what I got. First, I got this cute little, I love it, turtle mold to make a little turtle. Is it cute? I think Nate Cerami has one of these little, or a couple of these little turtles. And this one I'm not super happy about. I don't know, we'll see how it works. I just got this one. Like I said, I've been waiting for them all to come in to share it. But this one is, I mean, I like it because it is seahorses. The little one is so little, though, I don't even know if it will look enough like a seahorse. But this one is very nice. So, I've never seen that kind of mold before. It's a weird texture. I know it's silicone, so we'll see what happens. And I got this, which will go right along with this. It's got the little seashells and starfish. It's got like a nautilus shell and all kinds of little shells and starfish in there. As you know, I like sea life. So we got those 3 items. I also got, been anxious to do this. I've been watching Sherry making her coasters, and I have been waiting for these to come in. Now this one is a little small, but I guess it would work. I didn't realize it was quite that small. So I got the square. Actually, that looks a little big. I don't know, we'll see. I got the square, the round, the, I don't know, is this a hexagon, an octagon shape, and a pretty heart. So I'm anxious to do some resining with these. So that was my resin molds that I got, that I've been waiting on and waiting. And I'll show you to see how many envelopes it came in. It just took forever to get them all here. So then I got this cute little die cut. It's a little fish. It looks like it's a little goldfish. So precious. And let's see. This little musical notes. Those are adorable. And this little, I call it Tinkerbell. Little fairy. Isn't it adorable? And seashells, oh, of course. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. Seashells. Starfish. And these pretty little butterflies, which I love butterflies. And this beautiful rose, the flower. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. And then I got these hearts. Now, my die cut machine is a little one, so I know that probably only the first smaller 3 hearts will fit in there. Isn't that cute? Pretty little hearts. And then these are Christmas things. This is the little houses and pine trees and someone carrying or pulling a sled. Looks like it was a Christmas tree on it. And snowflakes, all different sizes. I think I measured even the large snowflake because it comes with different sizes. But even the large snowflake is just the right size. So you have the big one, and then you got 3 other kinds besides smaller ones. And this one. And the little baby. One more thing. There's some Christmas trees. All different sizes. I think there's 3 sizes in here. Yep. Got this one. They all fit as well. And this one. And a little one. So we'll be doing some die cutting and things like that before Christmas. I'll probably start working on that stuff in September, the end of September, maybe October. Oops, so we can put these away. And so that's it. That was my, whoops, tree goes over here. That was what I was been waiting for so long, to get them all so I can show them to you all at once. So, I hope you enjoyed. Be looking forward to the videos coming up with the die cuts for the holidays for sure. That'll probably be in October, and then I'll be doing some resining with my molds for sure as well. So thank you for joining me. Everyone stay tuned for tomorrow's video. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.